I've just been through a few villages and some nice pubs in. Oh, look at this fucking dickhead. You fucking wanker. A fucking crappy old 58 reg BMW just stormed round all fucking outside of us. But it's still got fucking stuck. Because there's a fucking, there's a tipper artic, well I think it's a rigid, tipper rigid, in fucking front of fucking queue. And there's a car behind that, fucking wanking BMW couldn't get past us all. I've got him on camera. There were loads of stuff coming other way, so he's going to struggle to get past the wagon that's in front of him. Never a copper about. Oh, he's going for it. There's a fucking bus coming other way. What a fucking prick. What a fucking wanker. No, he managed to fucking overtake a car and a lorry before fucking hitting a bus going the other way. Oh, now he's overtook on double white lines on a bend. Overtook a car. And he's disappeared into fucking distance.